In order to administer a CX version 8 and below, you will need to have the administration utility. Administration utilities can be found on the software DVD. Opening up the DVD, if it doesn't automatically start, you'll see a file called start.htm. And basically, if you click on that, it will open up a screen that will allow you to install the different components of your CX system. You have all the software that's affiliated with the CXE can be found on this page. And what you're looking for here is the CX Administrative Clients. There's basically two of those, reports and administration. So to maintain or make modifications to your CX system, you're going to have to install this software. Once you do that, you will have a folder called CX Desktop. And you'll see administration and reports. If you happen to have unified messaging for Exchange or Notes or IMAP, you may have installed previously the IMAP. You may have installed the unified messaging connector previously. So to run administration, you just simply click on the administration icon. Now, in order to maintain a CX server or a CX system, you have to attach to the CX system servers. So you have to know either the name or the IP of that. When you first start the utility, it will come up and ask for a location. If it doesn't, or you've run it before and used it on different machines, you'll have to physically attach. You do that by pressing File, Attach, and putting in the IP address or the name of the CX system server. You'll then need an administration login. By default, it is administrator. You should have one administration login per user that's going, or per administrator that is going to help maintain your system. And what you see here is a selection of different panes. We have the different systems that you see up here. Typically, you're only going to attach to a single system. However, if you have multiple CXE systems networked together, you can maintain the entire enterprise from this one screen. And you'll see the multiple system servers here lined up in the top left. Under that, you will see a selection of mailboxes. Each click on the different type of mailbox will display that particular mailbox in the right-hand frame. So if you're looking for just subscribers, you can simply click on subscriber and then scroll through the different subscribers. If you want to see all the mailboxes, you just simply click on all mailbox types. If you need to search for somebody, there's a number of different ways to do this. You can search for the mailbox ID or search for the display name. When you do that, the mailbox will come up here in the lower pane. This is the search results. You can simply double click on it and then you can edit this mailbox. When you are logged in like this, you can execute changes a number of different ways. We have toolbar buttons up on the top: add a mailbox, edit, view a mailbox, delete a mailbox, copy a mailbox, renumber a mailbox, or go to a specific mailbox and have a mailbox device search. These options are also available under the mailbox menu item. Edit, view, add, delete, copy, renumber, go to, search, references, range, commands, and some other utilities. A device search is handy because it will help you locate in a system that is device specific. It will help you find out which mailbox belongs to a certain device. Now, typically you're going to have your mailboxes match their extension numbers, but if you don't, and you have cell phones and stuff like that in your mailboxes, this utility will help you find them. Mailbox references will tell you, for whichever mailbox that you search on, will show you where in the system that this mailbox exists. Remember, you could have just the mailbox, but they could be sponsors and they could be members of distribution list, and they can be mentioned or referenced in your auto attendant as well. You can also add, delete, and edit mailboxes by simply right-clicking or double-clicking on the mailbox itself. To add a mailbox, you just simply press add or right-click add, pick the mailbox. If you're using a subscriber class of service, you can reference it here. Otherwise, you can just simply create the mailbox and then go back and apply the class of service if necessary. Just simply put in a mailbox number and a name. Press OK, and you've pretty much created the mailbox that is going to follow the class of service parameters. To delete a mailbox, you can simply right-click Delete or press the Delete icon. When you're finished your session, you can just simply exit.